What is going on, guys? Today, Ben and I were fencing this morning, and now I am going to get in the combine, check the settings on that. We're gonna go out and take a sample of oats and see if they're still too green or if we can maybe go ahead and start the combine oats today. Got all the monitors fired up, and now we're gonna head out and check it. So now we're just driving out to the field, and once we get out there, I'm gonna fire up the separator real quick and then adjust the fan RPM because oats are only a 32-pound test weight versus the almost 60-pound test weight of a bushel of wheat. So therefore, the oats are going to blow out of the back of the machine if I don't turn the fan down. Adjusting the fan right down to 700 RPM right now. Alright, got the first run done. Now we're going to take a moisture sample. So for the oats, it's 200 grams because 250 won't fit in the tester. So it tested 13.3, so we're gonna go out and cut a little bit more, and Dad'll probably take another sample and then we'll see what it is. So I am now going to just take off around the field, and I'm gonna try and run the combine up to full capacity so that way we can see what the grain sample looks like, because right now I have no loss out the back. So we've got to fine tune our grain sample to keep as little trash in it as possible. So I'm gonna back out and we'll start doing that. Found some cows, look at that. Hi, cows. Ooh. Checking the combine out. A lot of you may be wondering why we're doing oats. So our wheat goes to an elevator. We had it sold right out of the field this year. We loaded it straight on the trucks and went to the elevator. The straw can be left in the field, and we also bale some of it sometimes. The oats are seed oats. They're called jerry oats. It's not as high yielding, but it's more of a forage oat. And those get sold to Byron Seeds for seed oats. And we just leave the oat straw out here. In both the wheat and the oats, we're going to plant a cover crop onto once they are removed. The wheat has had the manure spread on it. This is just going to get the cover crop drilled straight into it. Well, guys, sister gave me a call and she asked if I wanted a passenger. Well, look who my passenger is. It's my nephew, Johnny. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Man, Johnny, he loves coming around and doing whatever. a cow. He's always asking to see a cow.
You driving, Johnny?
World's youngest combine driver in training. Yeah. Can't quite push the button yet. Okay, so sister and Johnny left, but I have got 28 acres done in this field. It is half done. It's almost 7 o'clock. It's 7:05. The sun's starting to go down. It's getting more sticky. I got a whole bunch of stuff I need to do this evening, so I'm just going to finish this round, dump on the wagon, and call it a night.
So right now we're combining oats, and oats are a lot lighter than the wheat. The wheat we sell all gets sold for, basically it's soft red wheat, so it gets sold for pastry flour. And these oats that we're doing, they get sold to a seed company that'll clean them and resell them for seed. We keep a little bit of the oats, probably 600 or 700 bushels we'll keep, and we blend it in our chicken feed with, as well as corn and roasted beans. So it's just kind of a nice crop to diversify with, break up the rotation. It's better for the soil. So once we get done with these oats, then we're planting a cover crop. We'll do that. So today's Saturday. Let's see, we'll do that Monday, and hopefully we'll get a nice rain and grow some feed for the cows. After about a month or so, there'll probably be a good amount of forage, and we'll bring the cows out in this field, which cows eat the forage, put some good fertilizer out the back end, so we can plant corn here next summer. got done combining a while ago. I had a nice supper. Seth always tells you when he's gonna eat. I had homemade pizza made by my daughter, and it was really good. Now I'm going to unload the wagons. We're gonna put the oats in the bin so we can have a fan on them, get them dried down, get them cured a little bit, and I'll take a sample into the place that tests the seed. I'm gonna hook the wagons up and pull it up to the auger. Gonna start up the tractor and get the PTO engaged and start unloading the wagon. Cleaning all the straw and junk off so that the next load will feed in better.
World's youngest vlogger.
World's youngest vlogger. Here we go. Fingerprints. And hi guys.